Hey everyone, welcome back. If you have ever tried forwarding restricted content on Telegram, you have probably come across that annoying forwarding is restricted message. But don't worry, today I am going to show you exactly how to bypass that restriction and share content with ease. So let's get into it. First, let's quickly talk about why this happens. Some Telegram channel admins disable forwarding to protect their content, and it's a pretty common feature to keep things exclusive. But if you need to share something and you have got permission to do so, we have got some workarounds. Here's how you can forward restricted content step by step. The first method is simple and doesn't require any third-party tools. You can save the message to your saved message. Uh, then just open your Telegram and open the group, uh, and then just tap and hold on the restricted content you want to forward. Select save. Um, Select save and to saved messages. This will save the content in a saved message chat. From there you can forward it normally to other chats. Is it right? Or if the content is a video, photo or text you really need to forward, the next option is use your device's screen recording or screenshot function. Simply open the content and capture a screenshot or start a screen recording. Once you have the image or video, you can share it with others directly from your gallery or media files. Now, if you are going more for a more professional solution and you want to keep the content intact, here's another option. There are bots like Telegram Save bot that allows you to forward restricted content from any channel. Search for the bot on Telegram and start a chat, and follow the Instagram's instructions to forward the content you need. This bot bypass the forwarding restrictions by then might need your permission or the content link to work. Copy content and repost. If you are dealing with text link, simply copy the content and repost it in desired group or chat. Highlight the text, copy it, and then paste it onto the group or person you want to forward it to. This method is straightforward, but remember, don't use this method for media like photos and videos unless you have got permission to share them. That's all the main methods covered, but a quick note: always respect the privacy of others and make sure you have the right to share content. Using these methods and understand material can get you into hot water, so be mindful of what you are sharing. And there you have it. Now you know how to forward restricted content on Telegram. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.